হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, ভেরি ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল। আশা করি সকলে ভালো আছো, সুস্থ আছো। আজ পল সায়েন্স ক্লাসে তোমাদের জন্য যে কোয়েশ্চেনটি আছে সেটি হলো রোল অফ কাস্ট ইন ইন্ডিয়ান পলিটিক্স। Caste in Indian society refers to a social group where membership is largely decided by birth. Each such social group avoids entering into marital relationship with outsiders. Originally, this group was associated with a specific profession. The mutual relationship of one caste with the other is established on the principle of lineage and the resultant purity of blood, making the relationship between one and another caste distant. The definition of caste is, however, incomplete. Usually, a caste is fragmented into several subcastes whose members are more unified. Each group maintains its identity and establishes relationships with similar groups spread over a large geographical area. This definition leads us to castes like the Reddis, Kammas, Okkaligas, Kurmis, Bhumiyars, Rajputs, and others who, despite being residents of different geographical divisions, develop an affinity based on caste. Caste, through a united effort of its members to assert themselves, has today intruded in both politics and administration, mainly through franchise and institutions like Panchayati Raj. Whether it is the factionalism of Indian political parties on the nomination of candidates and the mode of election campaign, most things can be explained through caste interests and caste balance. As a separatist notion, however, caste is a challenge to secularism, but if caste creates separation, it also brings the people together as a group. Democracy undoubtedly increases the activities of the caste groups. As the political power of the ruling elite gradually passes on to the people in a mass society, the impact of castes is felt much more. Sometimes one caste dominates over the other due to social conditions. Caste, politically speaking, has played such a basic role in the decision-making process that even the reorganization of states in India had to grapple with it so that no caste group dominates a particular territory. Although untouchability has been prohibited under the constitution, Harijans and Adivasis have also been given legal protection as a positive measure. Thus, an attempt has been made to create economic and social equality, but these reservations have affected Indian politics in an unwholesome manner. Groups declared backward are now not prepared to forego the concession that accrue to them by the level of backwardness. Caste has thus become a major obstacle in the establishment of a casteless society and has cemented communal connections. Even the politicians are caught in the web. On the one hand, they would like the differences and preference based on caste to be abolished, and on the other, are well aware that these are helpful in securing the vote. They, therefore, bless the caste organizations and also try to determine their limitations and contain their influence. This paradoxical situation can, therefore, be overcome only if the caste entity and the impact it makes on politics is fully recognized. Castes becomes important in politics because politics is highly competitive. Its purpose is to gain power for certain ends. It therefore exploits all kinds of loyalties in the society to gain and consolidate certain political positions. Organization and articulation of support are important in the above process of politics in our country. Caste is one such organization with which the people are associated. The linkage between politics and caste is thus important, and in the process both interact so closely that they are transformed. Partly, programs also cut across caste loyalties, and members of one caste may be divided on the basis of ideological affiliations. Political connection is a reflection of the social reality, and politics is one instrument which a particular class or group exploits to strengthen itself. It is, however, certain that the caste institutions are influenced in a dynamic and developing society by urbanization, industrialization, and modernization. No political party can function with the style of a caste group, and thus it has to look beyond the caste structure and appeal to all castes through its program. This is bound to weaken the caste structure. আশা করি সকলে আনসারটা ভালো করে বুঝতে পেরেছো। এটা অত্যন্ত ইম্পর্টেন্ট একটা কোয়েশ্চেন, কাজেই খুব ভালো করে মন দিয়ে এটা পড়বে। আরও একটা কথা তোমাদের বলার আছে, সেটা হলো যারা আজকে আমার চ্যানেলে প্রথম এসেছো, নতুন আমার ভিডিওটা দেখছো, তাদের কাছে আমার এই বক্তব্য যে ভিডিওটা লাইক করো, বেশি বেশি করে শেয়ার করো এবং অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করো, বেল নোটিফিকেশনটা ক্লিক করে দিও যাতে যখনই আমি নতুন ভিডিও আপলোড করব তখনই তোমাদের কাছে এটি পৌঁছে যায়। আজকে এখানেই শেষ করছি। থ্যাংক ইউ।